Welcome to the channel. Here, we dive deep into fascinating topics, uncover hidden facts, and explore exciting new ideas. Whether you're here to learn something new, get inspired, or just be entertained, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Let's get started. Geckos are some of the most captivating reptiles in the world, renowned for their diverse colors, quick reflexes, and ability to live in a wide variety of environments. While these traits are widely recognized, geckos hold an array of hidden secrets that elevate their status from fascinating to utterly extraordinary. These small lizards, found in warm climates across the globe, have evolved unique biological and behavioral adaptations that set them apart from many other animals in the animal kingdom. Their adhesive abilities, method of communication, survival strategies, and overall behavior reveal the impressive versatility of geckos, which allows them to thrive in their often harsh environments. In this comprehensive overview, we will explore the lesser-known, yet deeply interesting, aspects of geckos and uncover why they are much more than just small, wall-climbing reptiles. One of the most widely known yet still surprising characteristics of geckos is their unparalleled ability to stick to vertical surfaces, including smooth materials like glass, and even move upside down with ease. This defiance of gravity is not achieved such as body postures or coloration changes. Geckos are known for producing a variety of sounds, including chirps, clicks, barks, and growls. These vocalizations are used for a range of purposes, including attracting mates, marking territory, or warning off rivals. Male geckos, in particular, are quite vocal during the breeding season, using loud chirps to signal their presence to potential mates or to establish dominance over other males in the area. The gecko's vocal range and the reasons behind its sounds vary between species, with some geckos being more vocal than others. For instance, the common house gecko, Hemidactylus frenatus, is particularly known for its distinctive chirping, which is often heard in homes and buildings in tropical and subtropical regions. This vocal behavior is another area of gecko life that has intrigued scientists, as it sets them apart from most other reptiles that typically communicate through non-vocal means, any sticky or glue-like secretions. Instead, geckos have developed a highly sophisticated biological adhesion system involving millions of microscopic hair-like structures called setae that cover their toe pads. Each seta branches into hundreds of even tinier structures known as spatulae, which allow the gecko's feet to make intimate contact with surfaces at a molecular level. Through a phenomenon called van der Waals forces, these spatulae generate an extremely weak molecular attraction between the gecko's feet and the surface. Despite the weakness of these individual forces, the sheer number of spatulae on a gecko's foot creates a cumulative adhesive effect that is strong enough to hold the gecko's body weight as it moves across almost any surface. This adhesion is so effective that geckos can effortlessly climb smooth, vertical walls and even dangle upside down from ceilings. The adhesive power is not permanent, however, as geckos can easily turn off the attraction by altering the angle of their foot setae, allowing them to move fluidly across surfaces. This ability has captured the attention of scientists and engineers, who are studying gecko adhesion to inspire the creation of new technologies, such as advanced synthetic adhesives for robotics and industrial applications. Beyond their astonishing climbing ability, geckos are also remarkable for their vocal communication, which is relatively rare among lizards. While many reptiles rely on visual signals. Another fascinating aspect of gecko biology is their exceptional regenerative ability. Many gecko species possess the capacity for autotomy, the self-amputation of their tails, which serves as a crucial survival mechanism. When a gecko is threatened by a predator, it can voluntarily shed its tail, which continues to wriggle and move for a short period after detachment. This movement distracts the predator, giving the gecko a chance to escape. The detached tail can function as a decoy, as predators often focus on the wriggling tail instead of the fleeing gecko. After shedding its tail, the gecko can regenerate a new one, although the regrown tail is typically shorter and less perfectly formed than the original. The regenerative process is relatively quick, and while the new tail may lack some of the original's muscle structure, it still functions as a useful appendage. This ability to regrow a lost body part is a rare trait among vertebrates and is particularly notable for the speed and efficiency with which geckos can regenerate their tails. Scientists are interested in studying gecko tail regeneration as a model for understanding tissue regeneration and healing, which has potential implications for medical research, particularly in the field of regenerative medicine. Geckos also have a range of lesser-known sensory adaptations that help them navigate and survive in their environments. For instance, geckos possess highly sensitive night vision, which allows them to hunt and move effectively in the dark. Many gecko species are nocturnal, meaning that they are most active during the night, and their large eyes are specially adapted to detect even the faintest light. Geckos have more rod cells in their retinas than humans, giving them superior low-light vision. Some species, like the helmeted gecko, Tarantula schizalea, can see in near total darkness, allowing them to spot prey or detect threats with incredible precision. Their eyes are also equipped with a vertical slit pupil, which enables them to better judge distances and focus in various lighting conditions. This adaptation is particularly useful for nocturnal hunting, as it helps geckos locate small insects and other prey items even when there is very little light available. In addition to their impressive night vision, geckos also possess a highly developed sense of smell, which aids them in finding food and recognizing other geckos. The combination of acute vision and olfactory senses makes geckos skilled hunters and enables them to thrive in a wide range of environments, from dense forests to arid deserts. The unique adaptations of geckos extend to their skin, which serves not only as a protective barrier but also as a camouflage tool and defense mechanism. Geckos are capable of changing the color of their skin to blend into their surroundings, much like chameleons. This ability, known as crypsis, helps geckos evade predators by allowing them to merge seamlessly with the natural environment, whether it be the bark of a tree, the leaves of a shrub, or the rocks of a desert landscape. While not all gecko species have the ability to change color dramatically, many can shift between different shades of brown, green, or gray depending on their surroundings. Some species, like the leopard gecko, Eublephares macularius, have vibrant color patterns that serve as both camouflage and a form of visual communication. These skin adaptations are an essential part of gecko survival, as they allow them to remain undetected by both predators and prey. Gecko skin also has unique properties that aid in repelling water and dirt. The microscopic structure of their skin makes it naturally hydrophobic, meaning that water simply rolls off their bodies. This hydrophobic property also helps to keep geckos clean, as dirt and debris do not stick to their skin. In fact, some species of geckos can even shed their skin regularly as a way of maintaining cleanliness and removing parasites. This shedding process, known as ecdysis, occurs periodically and is an essential part of gecko health. Unlike snakes, which shed their skin in one continuous piece, geckos shed their skin in patches, and they often eat the shed skin afterward to recycle the nutrients. This unique feature further demonstrates the gecko's remarkable adaptability and resourcefulness in maintaining its health and well-being in its environment. In addition to their natural defenses, geckos have developed a range of survival strategies to cope with the diverse and often harsh environments they inhabit. For example, desert-dwelling species, such as the Namibian web-footed gecko, Pachyodactylus rangi, have evolved specialized feet that allow them to run across loose sand without sinking. These geckos also have translucent skin, which helps them avoid detection by predators in their sandy environment. Other geckos, like the leaf-tailed geckos of Madagascar, Uroplatus spp, have perfected the art of camouflage to an extraordinary degree, with their bodies mimicking the appearance of dead leaves or tree bark to avoid predation. The diversity of these survival strategies is a testament to the evolutionary success of geckos, which have adapted to a wide range of ecological niches across the globe. Geckos also play a crucial role in their ecosystems as both predators and prey. As insectivores, geckos help control insect populations, feeding on a variety of insects, including crickets, moths, and flies. Their presence can be especially beneficial in human environments, where they help reduce the number of pests. In turn, geckos are prey for a variety of larger animals, including birds, snakes, and mammals. Their position in the food chain makes them a vital part of the ecosystems they inhabit, contributing to the overall balance of predator and prey dynamics. In recent years, geckos have become increasingly popular as pets due to their manageable size, relatively simple care requirements, and docile nature. Species like the leopard gecko and crested gecko, Corelliphus ciliatus, are especially favored by reptile enthusiasts for their attractive appearance and ease of handling. As pets, geckos have introduced many people to the fascinating world of reptiles, inspiring a deeper appreciation for their biology and behavior. However, it is important for prospective gecko owners to understand the specific needs of these animals, such as the appropriate temperature and humidity levels, diet, and habitat setup, to ensure their well-being in captivity. Geckos are much more than just small, colorful lizards that can scale walls. Their extraordinary adhesive abilities, vocal communication, regenerative powers, and sensory adaptations make them one of the most adaptable and intriguing reptiles on the planet. From their ability to stick to almost any surface without the use of sticky substances. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you stay updated on all our latest content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.